Strangle. To squeeze the neck so someone cannot breathe. The attacker tried to strangle the man. He was arrested for trying to strangle someone. Gargle. To wash your throat and mouth with liquid. I gargle with warm salt water. The doctor told him to gargle daily. Tickle. To touch lightly and make someone laugh or feel itchy. The feather tickled my nose. She tickled the baby gently. Confide. To share a secret with someone you trust. He confided his secret to his friend. He confided his worries to his mother. Feud. A long and serious argument between people or groups. A small problem started a big feud. They are trying to stop the feud. Phobia. A very strong fear of something. She has a phobia of spiders. He avoids dogs because of his phobia. Scratch. To rub or mark the skin or surface with nails or something sharp. He scratched his head while thinking. The cat scratched the sofa. Ailments. Small illnesses or health problems. The old man has many ailments. He takes medicine for his ailments. Blare. To make a very loud sound. The music blared from the speakers. Sirens blared down the street.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!